Alright, so in this video, we are going to see a practical demonstration how we can create placement group in AWS EC2. In the previous video, we learned about what actually placement group is, what are the categorization that falls under placement group, spread, partition, and cluster. Alright, so in this practical demonstration, we are going to see how we can create a placement group, how we can delete a placement group, how we can attach a placement group to an instance while we are launching it. Okay, so let us first go to EC2 instance. You can either search it on the search box or you can access it via the favorite section. All right, so I'll click on EC2. Here you need to scroll to the bottom and you will find it under network and security, and here it is the placement groups. As of now, no placement group has been created for this region. So I'll just click on create placement group. And you can see there are three placement strategy that AWS offers, that is cluster, spread, and partition, which we covered in the earlier video. Okay, so in this one, we are going to create a partition placement group. And as we already know that in partition placement group, we can create the partition up till 7. So it ranges from 1 till 7. So we'll select three partitions and I'll name it as partition placement group. Okay, and I'll click on create group. Now you can see the placement group has been created successfully. Now the next step would be to attach this placement group to the instance. Click on instances and click on launch instance. So AWS placement group demo. Scroll down. We have selected the AMIs. Okay, you need to scroll down, and here we are searching for the option placement groups. As you can see, we got the option. So you can either go directly to the instance page and create the placement group by clicking over here, or else you can just create the placement group first and then you can proceed with the launch instance part. It depends upon you. So here, once you click here, you'll get all the placement group that you have created. But as of now, we have created the partition placement group. It is displaying the same. However, if we have created the different placement groups, that is cluster and spread, it would have listed over here, right? So I'll just click over here and it is asking me the target partition. Okay, what should be the target partition be, right? So either select 1, 2, or 3. We can select 2 or 3 based upon our need, and then you can just click on launch instance and it will be created as per the partition placement group. So that was all about how you can attach a placement group to an Amazon EC2 instance. Now coming to the second part, how do you delete an placement group? So again go to EC2. Now again go back to network security placement group. Select the placement group, go to action and click on delete, type delete, and we have deleted the placement group. So in this video, we learned how we can create placement group in Amazon, how we can attach a placement group, okay, and how we can delete a placement group. All right. So that was all. See you in the next one. Thank you so much.